Welcome to our Vocabulary Netcast. This is vocabulary for Unit 6, Week 2, Day 1. You guys ready? Why are we doing this? Do you guys have any idea? Well, you should, because we've done this enough. Go ahead, say it to yourself. Time's up. Okay. If you said to yourself that we're doing it because we want to become better readers and writers, you're on. That's it. You're exactly right. Okay, you guys ready? Make sure your paper's folded, your word boxes are ready, and let's begin. Our first vocabulary word is abruptly. Say the word abruptly. Abruptly. 3 distinct sounds, 3 syllables. Abruptly. Write the word. Pause the video. All right. Let's define abruptly. Abruptly means something that happens like quickly or without warning. Abruptly. There you go. See, all of a sudden, see how cool that is? Write the word. Pause the video. All right, here's an example of abruptly. Abruptly, an example. Susan was running when she abruptly stopped to watch a butterfly. But she stopped abruptly. The butterfly was flying, but not abruptly. But the person stopped abruptly, quickly to watch the butterfly. Okay, here we go. You ready for the question? You better pause it and write the example. Pause it. Okay, here we go. The question for abruptly is, have you ever been in a car that stopped abruptly? So basically, did you ever get a nosebleed after your nose hit the dash because you weren't buckled in? Hopefully not. Anyway, write whether you have ever been in a car that has stopped abruptly. Remember, when you write this sentence, you're writing context clues, you're writing the wording in the sentence, and you're writing all the important stuff from the sentence in your statement. Okay? All right. Pause the video. Write your question sentence. Okay. Next word. The word is debris. Debris. Sounds like a French word. Debris. Debris. All right. Say it. Write it. Make sure your word boxes are looking great. Make sure they're organized, they're neat. We better be able to read them. All right, let's define debris. Debris is the remains of something broken or destroyed. Now, here in the environment that we're at, we see examples of debris all over the place. We see rocks that were once big, and they've crumbled and become debris. They've been broken up. Hopefully not destroyed, but it could be. Pause the video. Define debris. All right, time for the example. An example of debris is the hurricane left behind lots of debris, such as wood from houses it destroyed. That's kind of sad, but it happens. Mother Nature can be vicious. Leaves behind all kinds of debris. Pause the video. Write your example. Okay, time for the question sentence. Describe a time when you had to clean up debris. This better be good. Mr. Anderson, Mrs. Gentry, Mr. Powell, we want some good examples in this sentence. Debris. Pause the video. Write your sentence. All right, we're ready for the next word. The third word is frayed. Frayed. Not like afraid, sounds like that, but it's different. This is frayed. All right, say it, write it. Definition of frayed. Frayed means separated into loose threads. I wonder if Mr. Powell has frayed ends on his pants. Could this be frayed? Separated into loose threads? Frayed. Cool. I like that word. All right. Pause the video. Define it. Think of pants that are frayed on the ends. How about that? All right. Here's another example. The frayed coat was not warm enough for the cold weather. The frayed coat was not warm enough for the cold weather. All right, pause the video, write your example. Okay, time for the question sentence. Here we go, moment of truth. Do you have any clothes that are frayed? If you do, let's make a list. Check it twice. All right. Be descriptive. Tell how those clothes are frayed. Again, use a lot of context clues in your sentence. We want some good ones. All right. Pause the video. Proceed. Okay, last word for today is parched. Parched. Past tense, ed on the end. Say it, write it. Okay, definition for parched. Parched means something that is parched is very dry or hot as a result of heat. Now, Mr. Powell's throat right now is a little parched. It's a little dry. You need some Mountain Dew. Now, if you guys were nice to Mr. Powell and Mr. Anderson, you'd be bringing us something that would unparch our throats. All right. Okay, definition. Pause it, write it. Another example. It is a hot day, so I wanted to drink to cool my parched throat. I wonder what Mr. Powell and Mr. Anderson and Mr. Gentry would drink if their throats were parched. Interesting. Question sentence. Oh, pause it first. Write your example. Okay, all right. Let's move on. Question sentence. How can you tell if the soil in a garden is parched? I want you to think about that one. I want some real thought about that. How can you tell if the soil in a garden is parched? Remember, restate the important information from the question in your statement of sentence. Context clues. We want some thought. We want some good details. You guys can do it. We expect that of you. Okay? Word is parched. Pause the video. Okay. All right, guys. This brings to a close our first night of homework. What unit is it? 6. What day is it? Probably 1. All right.